people, welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. This is going to be my morning 5+5. This is first bell. I'm going to try this for this week. I'm going to try to do it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I think I'm going to try to just do it 10 minutes before closing bell and just end with closing bell. I'm going to play with it. Maybe 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. We're just going to briefly go over the market, good people, and see what's going on. Hey, let's look at see what's going on right now.
Getty Images. It is celebrating, Jim said, that recent listing at the NASDAQ. Recent listing at the NASDAQ Xpage, a new digital asset trading platform created by XP.
We should mention Getty. Now, this is a company, it's the second time around. And David, you can see where the stock is, and it's a SPAC, and it's at 30.
Yes.
So what do we say about that?
We say not bad.
Small float, or how do we deal with the fact that people are making money with the SPAC? Or is this like a Lucid where you made money for a while?
Every so often it happens.
Every so often, that's your analysis?
Yes.
Solid.
Yes.
Solid.
Thank you.
Every so often the Phillies beat the Mets. I mean, what?
All right, we see things are a little red this morning. That doesn't really mean anything. This is going to be a very interesting week. Really going to be monitoring this week and see what's going on. But Dow is down, not by much. Let's see here. As you know, that's not much. It could rebound by opening bell. It could rebound by afternoon. So let's see. Let's see, are the indexes woke? Now, here we go. Let's do that. Let's put that down there. Let's throw in the Dow. Let's throw in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is green. Okay. So we got the S&P down. Nothing's down greatly, actually. The NASDAQ is up, so we're doing pretty good, all right? So we know everything that's going on. I'm just going to open by saying this. Good people, and then I'm going to read a few comments for about 5 minutes. We're going to try to keep this down to 10 minutes. I'm going to do this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday just to stay, abreast on everything that's going on currently. In my video yesterday, we know everything that happened last week and the week before. The week before with the job numbers that came out good, which made the market go down. We know why that happened. Because the market was good, the jobs were good, the Fed may see a more runway to continue to raise interest rates at a higher percentage. So it had a negative effect on the stock market, okay? And then we had the PPI numbers, the CPI numbers rather, and the PPI numbers. CPI numbers came out first. They were lower than expected at 8.5. We were expecting 8.7. And then the PPI numbers came out right behind that, better than expected. But there's a lot going on. Credit card debt among Gen Zs are going up. Big tech is still laying off. And I will still tell you, regardless of how many green days we have, and it's easy to say that we're in trouble when the market is tanking, the Dow down 800, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200%. It's easy to say, hey, we're in trouble when the Dow is showing you we're in trouble. But I'm telling you that we're in trouble while the market is doing well. I'm telling you right now that, the FED has lied. The White House has lied. The Fed has lied. Jennen has lied. And I'm just going to call it what it is. No BS. We are in a soft recession. This bounce happens more times than not. We have a bounce like this, and it could go on for weeks. And people think, hey, we're good. But I'm telling you that we're not good, because even though the CPI numbers came out good, it's still 8.5. It's still extremely high, all right? So if a 300-pound dude comes up and he hits you, right, and his muscles got muscles, and he hits you like 50 times for those of you that are dudes, and then later on, 100-pound dude walks up and smack you, you still been assaulted, right? It just don't hurt as bad. And that's what we're going through. I'm sorry for that analogy. That's what we're going through, good people, with this market. Someone asked me yesterday, are you still mostly in cash? And I'm like, yes, I'm actually more in cash. So on my dollar cost averaging, which I'm doing with Webull, and my other portfolio, I do it with my Fidelity also. But what I'm going to do is when it comes down and we have a major drop down, another drop down, then I'm going to double my dollar cost average. That's what I'm going to do, good people. So let's read a few. I've been on for 5. We're going to cut this on in 4.5 minutes. Hey, call it like it is. Yep. That's what we got to do. We got to just tell the truth. Yep. Hey, thank you, family. Thank you. Ross for stock market. Also, channel YouTube. Didn't read that one. Sorry. Hey, blessed morning. Yep. Hey, there's my buddy. What's going on from Jacksonville? Hey, how are you guys doing? Good morning. Jersey in the house. That's right, y'all. Hit that like button. So we're going to bounce back and see what they're talking about. And they're talking about Disney, which is a good company. Let's listen.
And now he's riding the ship, and no one says, you know what? Maybe we ought to reopen the book on Chapek and see whether he's not the buffoon that we were told he was by other people.
Well, you just did it, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
No, listen, Disney obviously had a very good day after earnings, although the stock did come off its highs, but then followed up on Friday with another up day, and it is up yet again.
Spoken like
morning.
Someone who's going to take his kid to college.
Yeah.
You are a lucky person.
I know, although I got a long drive. And then we got to move
Atlanta in the house. What's happening? Showing love to Atlanta, showing love to India. SHIB. All right, let's talk about it. Let's talk about SHIB, good people. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If I had SHIB, and I know the Army will probably get upset at this, if I had SHIB, I'd be ready to swing it right now. Sorry I didn't shave, good people. I'd be ready to swing it right now. To be honest with you, I think SHIB is going to come back down to quad 010 area. Quad 010, quad 011. And if you want to get back in, that's where I would get back in. So it's going to fluctuate. Will it run back up? Yes, it will. It's going to take time, but don't think for 1 minute that the harder recession is going to come and crypto is just going to be on a bull run. It's not going to happen, right? It's not going to happen. I've showed you guys that time and time again. As a matter of fact, let's see if we could do this. That will be the S&P. And this is for all crypto, good people. This is for all crypto. I want you guys to know that. Let's see here. Let's go to the S&P and let's compare it to Bitcoin. BTC. All right, let's take a look here. So this is what we have to keep in mind. You cannot monitor. Listen, you can't monitor crypto without monitoring the stock market, right? Let's go to last month. All right, as you can see, the yellow is Bitcoin, the blue is the S&P, right? And if I added the NASDAQ in here, you'll see a direct correlation, okay? So here, look at the NASDAQ, all right? And so as you can see, let me take the NASDAQ out, so let's just do the S&P. Whatever the S&P does, as you can see, crypto does it more exaggerated, right? The blue line is the S&P. S&P goes up, crypto goes up more. S&P comes down, crypto comes down more, all right? It's just a direct correlation, good people. And if the S&P comes back down, which the S&P will come back -20, And if you really are not trying to time the market and you just want to just get in at a good rate, just make sure you get in when the S&P is negative 20%. And, no one could guess the bottom. Yes, it could come lower than that. I believe it will. But in that range for long-term investors, the data proves that if you buy stock, in that area, then that is when most people after a recession actually do well in the market. Those purchases, the stock under the S&P negative 20%, you'll do okay. But you don't just go in all at once. You dollar cost average. And the same thing for crypto. Right now, crypto is the time to be accumulating, okay? But SHIB has had such a run up. When it runs up that quick, that much, then there's generally a sell-off. That's all I'm saying. So I'm not telling you not to buy SHIB. I'm just telling you don't load up after a big run because I believe it's going to pull back. So Quad Zero, I believe it'll revisit the Quad 010, Quad 011 area, right? Good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hey. So we are at 11. See there? It's a lot to go over. Yep, ETH. I got, I've been DCAing in ETH and I am doing a lot of ETH. Myself, I'm going to buy the rumor and sell the news with Ethereum. I'm going to probably pop 75% of my swing Ethereum that I've been accumulating for the merge. And I'm going to buy the rumor, sell the news, meaning I am going to sell it before the actual merge. It has been up really good. ETH has been up really good over the last month. And hey, I'll take those profits, right? So, all right. Good morning. Hey, Haley, how you doing? Good morning. Hey, good morning. All right. Yep. Netherlands. Panama in the house. That's right. DCA all day. It's really easy. A lot of people are looking for the really hot plays. They coming. They are coming. So we just got to continue to DCA right now. And then there's hot plays to be made in between. Sorry about the glasses, man. Can you show a pre-market setup when you're creating? With the limit orders, I'll do that. I'm going to try to do that at a later date. It's kind of, a pre-market setup. You got to be on it, man. That pre-market setup is risky. So, I'm going to think about that one. All right. So I'm going to leave it right there, good people. I will be back today, but I want to let you guys know something. Hey, Mike, Big Mike, what's happening? Not everyone got money to DCA, though. That's not true, fam. That's not true. Let's deal with this for a minute, and then I have to address this. That's not true. That's not true, fam. It ain't true. It's not true. I'm just telling you it's not true. This is my job. Everything I'm doing right now is not based on the millionaire that could invest $10,000 a month. That's not why I'm here. I'm not a guru. But one of the things I am is I'm a realist. And I know that everybody listening to me has a computer or a phone or something. I can guarantee you 99% of you guys will spend $3 to $5 on a cup of coffee. So you can DCA. You could DCA with $5 a day. You could DCA with $5 a week. Don't look for the big kills. Just take what you have and use what you have. And so somebody said to me a couple of months ago, I can't afford to invest. But he had the biggest iPhone, So you got a $1,500 iPhone or $2,000 iPhone, but you telling me that you can't afford $5 a day, right? And I'm looking at you and your clothes and you got on, $900 worth of clothes and it's fresh. So you just bought it? No, it's what we prioritize. So set it and forget it. That's why I want you guys to download Webull if you don't have it, because it allows you automatic reoccurring investments, and it just takes it out of your hand, right? So I don't care if it's $10 a week. You can do it. You can DCA, all right? That's my mission, man, to get us to change our mindset, stop consuming, and start creating generational wealth. Stop consuming merchandise and shoes and t-shirts and all of this. Man, we're going to be able to buy plenty of that when we stack our cash. I'm talking to everybody. I'm talking to the truck driver. I'm talking if you bust tables. I'm talking to you. Change this and you'll change your pocket. Hey, I had to do that. I'm sorry, good people. But hey, let me also tell you that because I believe that we're in a soft recession and the worst is yet to come, I'm telling you guys that I am looking for, there's another company I'm going to talk about today. It does gold, silver, and energy. I'm going to talk about that today. And we're going to my later video. We're going to be looking at that. But we're buying that one in our Moomoo. We're buying that. This is Moomoo Monday. So we're going to buy that with Moomoo. Now Moomoo has upped the game to 13 free stocks. Okay. But you got to deposit a minimum of $100. So if you got those Moomoo accounts, get them loaded. We're going to be talking about that. You guys know my links are below. I don't want to overpump, but you could do it in whatever platform you have. But this is what we are doing. We are cashing up in our Moomoo, and now we're going to start buying the recessionary stock with Moomoo. That's what we're doing. And with Webull is where we're DCAing because it allows you to do the reoccurring investments. And so we just going to build this wealth. All right. All right. So I'm going to see you guys later, and I'm going to try to keep this down. Nigeria in the house. I'm going to try to keep this to 10 minutes, good people, and answer some questions. All right. I got to go shave. I love you guys. If you haven't, subscribe. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Hey, make sure you don't fall for spam in the comment section. I will never ask you for money or crypto, and I don't have a WhatsApp. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. We'll see you later today. Have a blessed morning. But listen, people, let's change this. Let's change this. Let's get started. Let's DCA. Let's set it on automatic. And let's breathe. Let's just breathe. All right. See you later.